world of ultra-luxury automobiles, the Mercedes-Maybach badge has always stood for uncompromising opulence, engineering mastery, and a presence that commands respect before it even starts its engine. For 2026, the new Mercedes-Maybach S680 takes this tradition and elevates it into something beyond expectation. A true flagship limousine that blends artistry, technology, and performance into one commanding masterpiece. From the very first glance, the 2026 S680 makes its intentions clear. The front fascia has been completely redesigned with an aggressive, regal stance that could easily be mistaken for a concept car. The newly sculpted grille, adorned with deep chrome and precision-cut vertical lines, projects authority while integrating seamlessly with a pair of futuristic LED laser headlamps. The headlamp signature has been reimagined to produce a jewel-like glow, instantly recognizable both day and night. Beneath the shining skin, the front bumper carries a bold, muscular form, channeling air efficiently while giving the Maybach a sense of motion even at rest. The paintwork deserves its own applause. The 2026 model offers what Mercedes calls mirror luxe finish. In this particular configuration, a skin-shining deep red or custom yellow that reflects surroundings with a flawless liquid metal effect. Every panel is polished to perfection, ensuring the car doesn't just reflect light, but seems to generate it. Standing under the showroom lights of a 7-star hotel or in front of an exclusive event venue, the S680 gleams like a moving jewel. Dimensionally, this is no ordinary sedan. The new Maybach S680 has grown into an even more commanding limousine form, stretching its proportions to offer unmatched interior space while maintaining elegant, balanced lines. The elongated rear quarters and extended wheelbase allow for a spaciousness inside that rivals private jets. The chrome accents along the body, the flush door handles, and the subtle Maybach badging complete the exterior with an air of understated superiority. Step inside, and the real magic of the 2026 S680 unfolds. The cabin is a sanctuary of craftsmanship, technology, and comfort. The soft-closed doors open to reveal a world swathed in Napa leather, sustainably sourced wood veneers, and brushed aluminum accents. Every surface feels indulgent to the touch. The seats, available in a palette of bespoke colors, feature multi-contour adjustability, massage functions, and a ventilation system that adapts automatically to the passenger's comfort needs. Rear occupants are treated like royalty with fully reclining executive seats, a folding footrest, and an optional champagne cooler nestle between them. Technology integration has reached a new high in this generation. The Maybach's MBUX hyperscreen spans across the dashboard in an uninterrupted sweep of glass, displaying everything from navigation to ambient wellness programs. Rear passengers enjoy independent entertainment systems with ultra-high-definition touch displays, Bluetooth headphones, and personalized climate controls. The Burmester high-end 4D surround sound system ensures that whether you're listening to a live orchestra recording or a quiet acoustic track, the audio is rich, immersive, and perfectly tuned to the cabin's acoustics. Performance, as expected from the S680 badge, remains deeply impressive. Under the sculpted hood lies a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering a smooth but commanding wave of power. Output now reaches 621 horsepower, channeled through a refined 9-speed automatic transmission to Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. Despite its immense size, the S680 accelerates with the effortless grace of a much smaller car, reaching 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. The engineering focus is not raw aggression, but supreme effortlessness, a feeling that no matter the speed, the car is merely gliding, unbothered by the road ahead. Ride quality is one of the areas where Mercedes-Maybach truly dominates. The 2026 model incorporates the latest generation of e-active body control, which scans the road ahead via a stereo camera system and adjusts each suspension corner in real time. This means potholes, uneven pavement, and even aggressive cornering are absorbed and managed so seamlessly that passengers feel as though they are floating above the road. Safety and driver assistance technologies have also been advanced to new heights. From predictive pedestrian detection to autonomous lane changes and semi-autonomous highway driving, the S680 blends human and machine control in a way that inspires confidence without ever diminishing the feeling of being in command. In the ultra-luxury space, competition is fierce. Rolls-Royce Ghost, Bentley Flying Spur, and even certain bespoke electric luxury cars have entered the arena. Yet the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 manages to hold its own by not only matching its rivals in craftsmanship and exclusivity, but also surpassing them in technological integration and engineering innovation. It is a car that can be chauffeured through the streets of Monaco just as comfortably as it can cruise down the Autobahn at high speed. Ultimately, the 2026 S680 isn't just a car, it's a statement. A statement of personal success, taste, and the desire for the very best that automotive luxury can offer. In an era where many luxury cars lean heavily on heritage or novelty, the new Maybach S680 proves that a true flagship can honor tradition while redefining the future. Whether bathed in deep red, brilliant yellow, or any bespoke finish, it stands as the king of the road, ready to reign over the decade ahead. Thanks!